What if you could trade crypto in real market conditions, compete against thousands of traders worldwide, and potentially win prizes without risking a single dollar of your own money? That's exactly what TradingView's competition called The Leap is designed for. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. We'll cover how to join, which assets you can trade, how the leaderboard works, and most importantly, the mistakes beginners make that can ruin their chances before the competition even gets started. So if you're curious about paper trading, crypto trading competitions, or simply want a risk-free way to practice your skills, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is the Leap? At its core, the Leap is a crypto paper trading competition hosted inside TradingView. Instead of using real money, every participant receives a separate competition account funded with virtual capital. You trade in live market conditions. Prices move in real time. Your profits and losses change in real time. But the money itself is simulated. That means you can practice, experiment, and compete without putting your own capital at risk. For many beginners, this is one of the safest ways to experience the emotional side of trading before moving to a live account. And trust me, emotions are often harder to manage than the charts themselves. How the competition works. Once you join the competition, you'll receive a dedicated paper trading account. This account starts with a virtual balance. The goal is simple. Grow that balance faster than other participants. The higher your performance, the higher your position on the leaderboard. However, there's an important detail many beginners overlook. The competition doesn't simply reward aggressive trading. It rewards profitable trading. A trader who takes fewer high-quality trades can often outperform someone who constantly jumps in and out of the market. Keep that in mind throughout the event. How to join the competition. Now let's take a closer look. Inside TradingView, navigate to the Leap competition page. You'll find information about the current event, eligibility requirements, available assets, prizes, and competition rules. Before joining, take a few minutes to review the requirements. Competitions can change over time. Dates can change. Rules can change. Prize structures can change. So always verify the details directly inside the competition hub. Once you're ready, simply register for the event and activate your competition account. It's a very straightforward process. Setting up your competition account. Here's where many beginners make mistakes. After joining, you'll open the trading panel inside TradingView. You may already have a personal paper trading account connected. That's completely normal, but only trades placed inside the official competition account will count toward the leaderboard. This is extremely important. Always verify which account is active before placing any trade. A few seconds of checking can save a lot of frustration later. Which assets can you trade? The competition focuses on selected crypto markets. Depending on the current event, you'll usually find major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Dogecoin. These markets tend to have strong volatility, and volatility creates opportunity. But it also creates risk. Just because you're trading virtual funds doesn't mean you should trade carelessly. One of the biggest benefits of paper trading is learning good habits. Treat the account as if it were real money. That's where the educational value comes from. Understanding the leaderboard. Now let's talk about rankings. Many new participants assume that open profits automatically improve their leaderboard position. That's not always the case. In most competitions, realized profit matters. That means profits from closed trades. Imagine you have a trade showing a large unrealized gain. It may look impressive. But until the position is closed, those profits may not fully count toward your competition results. Always understand how ranking calculations work. This can make a huge difference near the end of the event. A simple beginner example. Let's see how this works in practice. Imagine Bitcoin is trading at a price level where you believe buyers may step in. You open a position. Before entering, you define two things. your stop loss, and your profit target. This is one of the most important habits you can develop. Many beginners focus only on potential profit. Professional traders focus on risk first. If the trade works, great. If it doesn't, your downside is already controlled. That's a much healthier approach than guessing and hoping. Common beginner mistakes. Now let's cover some mistakes that frequently appear in trading competitions. Mistake number 1. Trading too often. Many participants feel pressure to constantly be in the market. That's usually a bad idea. More trades do not automatically mean better results. Mistake number 2. Ignoring risk management. Even with virtual money, poor habits become real habits. Use stop losses. Plan exits. Think before entering. Mistake number 3. Trying to catch every market move. No trader catches every opportunity. The best traders focus on high-quality setups, not constant activity. Mistake number 4. Forgetting competition requirements. Some events require activity across multiple days. Always review the rules. Missing a requirement can affect eligibility even if your performance is strong. Why this is useful for beginners. At first glance, the leap may seem like a simple competition, but it's actually a learning environment. You can test ideas, practice execution, learn how market volatility feels, and gain experience without risking real capital. That makes it valuable for both complete beginners and experienced traders who want to experiment with new strategies. Final thoughts. So that's how the leap works. You now know how to join, how the competition account works, how rankings are calculated, which assets are available, and the most common mistakes beginners should avoid. If you're looking for a risk-free way to improve your trading skills while competing against traders from around the world, it's definitely worth exploring. And remember, the goal isn't just to climb the leaderboard. The goal is to become a better trader with every trade you take. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more trading tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you're planning to join the competition. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.